Morning guys, back at it again. Trying this unit in the jet already has proven to be a little bit of a depth problem. This thing actually goes up and touches the back of the divider and actually hits it. So I need to get it in a little bit farther. So what I'm probably going to do is to remove this inner lip a little bit. I only need a few millimeters. So I'm going to remove the inner lip a little bit and drive it down a little bit farther. It looks like I've got a little bit of space here. And then that's where I'll set it. And then I'm for sure going to use some foam tack on all these fingers and stuff to hold this in place. And then we should be fine. Okay, hold tight. I'm going to do some soldering here real quick, and then we'll be doing the install. Hey guys, well that's about it. I have not tested it yet, so this is a raw footage. Everything is hooked up and I'm hoping for the best here guys. Wish me luck, and we'll plug in the batteries and we'll do the setting for it as well and program it where we want it in relationship to our radio here. Let's power the radio on. In fact, I'll bring this over here. Oh yeah, let's set it here. So it's a little distance away. I just brought a few batteries and things here. We're not going to use this because I'm just going to go with one battery just to fire it up. Make sure the motor runs. Once I know the motor runs, then I'm going to disconnect the motor and we'll throttle it up for the to set this thing. Make sure my BEC is off. Right now. Okay. In case you guys missed that, in the build, the unit here, and it wasn't long enough. This unit would have been sitting just out of reach. So to get it up this far, it did need the extension, because the end of the extension you can't see at the back of here. But what I did to bring it through, so I didn't have to fish this whole, all of these, wires and this thing through, was to put another extension on the end of this, and then brought both those through just one wire, and then pulled one extension off and just connected it back up. Okay, let's give it some power and make sure we don't fry nothing, right? Or anything go bang, please, right? Well, it's a separate deal, separate system, so it really can't unless it goes through the receiver. Lost my switch. Okay, there it is. I'm going to end up mounting all this stuff up a little bit better in here, guys, once I get everything situated the way I like it. So now I'm just going to disconnect the power to the ESC. Okay, turn this back off again for a second. Probably not necessary, but I just don't like unplugging something until the main power is off, just in case. So now we'll unplug the throttle channel, and the lights only now should work. Okay, good to go here. Let's put the canopy on for effect. Take a look at her here, guys. Don't mind the beeping. The ESC is not plugged into the receiver, so nothing's going to happen here.
Throttle cut.
I haven't set my throws yet, obviously, guys. I mean, I've got like everything going on here. But yeah, let's turn this around. And I'll move the camera, get a good look at her. Should I dim the lights here, guys? About half throttle it starts kicking on. So we want to move that into the position where I want it, which is really going to be about 3/4 throttle. So I'm simply going to move it to just a tad before almost 3/4. At almost 3/4 right there. And then I'm going to push the button twice. The light should go, should program then at that point. It did. Good. Okay. So we still got everything. We know the motor works. We're going to get up here about right about there. Just a little. That's exactly where I set it at to start going. So flying along, you're cruising. You nail it. That's what you're going to get. Alright, let's set this thing going here, guys, and get a little bit better look at this. Maybe do a little night shot of it. This is straight to the pipe here, guys. Let's see, can you see in there at all? And I did get the clearance and stuff that I needed. But boy, does that thing throw the light out, huh? You can see the light all the way back into the back room. All the way up by the back door. It throws that much out. Yeah, came out pretty good, guys. Really happy with the finish, and the product itself is pretty cool. Thanks for watching. This has been Skip. If you haven't subscribed, please do. It's free. And we'll catch you guys later. Have a good one. Oh yeah, Fireblade, there's another one for you, buddy. Ciao for now, guys. That's the timer on the radio.